Hello, and today I'm here to talk about two problems that affect the population a lot in its reading increase in times of stress and times of anxiety. So it's clenching and bruxism. The difference between both is the clenching usually happens during the day when the patient is awake, and most of the times the patient don't even notice that he's pressed tightly in the teeth against each other. And this causes a lot of pain, headaches, pain in the muscles of the jaw, even teeth sensitivity, and can damage the restorations that you may have it. So bruxism, the difference is bruxism usually happens during the night in your deep sleep. So when you're grind your teeth against each other, and can cause also teeth sensitivity, can cause teeth wear, gum recession, can damage the restorations of your mouth, and can cause also headaches, muscles of the jaws in another day. So both is caused by stress. And the treatment, the most indicated treatment to avoid cause problems and avoid damaging in the structure of your tooth is the mouth guard. So the mouth guard is going to protect the enamel. It's going to protect all the gums and the bone around the tooth, okay? Because we're going to have a distribution of the force during the movement, the grinding or the clench. And also is going to relax the muscles. So if you can see your dentist to have an evaluation if you grinding or clenching, the dentist is going to give you one of the solutions. The best solution is the mouth guard. The another solution would be therapy, okay? Some exercise with specialists who can give you like a physiotherapy, and also Botox. Botox is being used for some years to relieve just the pain in the muscles of the face in the TMJ. So another treatment that you can do is gonna help. Is not like a treatment, is like relaxation, like meditation, deep breathe, listen to good music, drink a good tea, wine for who drinks a little cup. Everything that can relax your muscles, relax your mind is gonna also help with the clenching and with the bruxism. Okay, so take care, have a good oral health, and I see you next time.